Today we're going to make one of Nikolas's favorite Tyrokeftedes, cheese balls. Every year we go to Greece, my son gravitates towards one item and tries it at every restaurant. One year it was macaroni mikima. He tried it at every restaurant and kind of said which one had the best. So this summer when we went, he loved Tyrokeftedes, cheese balls. So he tried them at every single restaurant. He even broke them apart and could tell if somebody used breadcrumbs or flour or different cheeses. So today I'm making these for him. So I hope that you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So we're gonna start with feta. We have 1/4 cup of feta, and I'm using stani feta. So I'm gonna put that in here. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of manori. So we're just mixing a bunch of cheeses on here because the more the better. We're gonna use Graviera and gouda cheese. So Graviera, I'm using 776 product, and there will be a link below where you can get the stani feta and the Graviera. So we're gonna grade this for the Graviera, we're gonna do about 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna grade this right over here. Next, we're gonna do 2/3 cup of gouda cheese. I'm gonna put this here. And you need, for this recipe, you need some soft cheeses, you need different flavors, so it's good to have this mix of cheeses in this. And next, we're gonna add 2 eggs and some self-rising flour, because we're gonna make this mixture, and then before we roll the balls, we're gonna put it in the fridge for about 45 minutes for it to set, and then we'll make the balls. Add 2 eggs. 2 eggs and 1/3 cup of self-rising flour. And now with our clean hands, we're gonna mix this together. So also, I always tell you guys ideas for prepping. If you want to prep this ahead of time, you could just prep it in the morning or before people are coming over. If you're gonna make this as an appetizer, put it in the fridge, and then that way you can just pull them out when you're ready to make it. You're gonna roll them into balls and we're gonna fry them up. So now we're gonna leave this and put it in the fridge. When you take your mixture out of the fridge, it should be nice and firm now, and we can roll it into the balls. So I'm gonna use a tablespoon to help me measure. I'm gonna use that. You're gonna put this in your clean hands and form them into a ball. So you can use a small ice cream scoop. Or just something that you can measure out so they're about the same size. So after we do that, we're gonna put them right into all-purpose flour, and we're gonna roll them in the all-purpose flour before we fry them up. So I've formed all the balls, I put them in our flour, I'm gonna roll them around, and I have on the stove 3 cups of vegetable oil heating up so that we can go fry these up. I like to use a small saucepan for the 3 cups of vegetable oil because I want to create it kind of like a deep fryer for the balls. So I'm going to use a slotted spoon and put them, I'm just going to not overcrowd them, right into the oil so they're completely submerged. And we want them to fry up to a nice golden brown color. So you're cooking these for this nice, beautiful golden brown color. It depends on how hot your oil is, but it's gonna be anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to get this beautiful color. And when we cut this in half, I can't wait for you to see the cheese oozing out. Delicious. I'm gonna put this on the paper towel just to dry off the excess oil. And these are all ready. I can't wait to surprise Nikolas with this treat when he gets home from school, but I'm gonna sneak one right now. Look at this gooiness. Mmm. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.